If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe for more videos about family, travel, and film. My name is Angelo, and thanks for watching. Last year on the vlog. So our good friends Devin and Michelle got engaged while we were traveling together in Leavenworth, Washington. Then later that year, Leezel got a surprise package that was sent from Michelle.
Go open it, babe!
It's so beautiful. Will you be my Matron of Honor? Michelle Saba.
What?
Oh my god!
And then this summer, the girls went off to have a very fun bachelorette party in Arizona. But the best part of this story, that all happened this past weekend, and it happened in paradise.
Aloha, welcome to Honolulu, where the local time here is 8:42.
We are in Oahu again. We are here for Devin and Michelle's wedding.
Aloha! Oh my god! Oh, hi!
Aloha, bro. What's up, man? This is for you? Oh, thanks. They picked us up here at the airport, surprised us at the carousel.
Hi, aloha!
Aloha.
Welcome back.
It's a warm welcome here in Oahu. How are you feeling? Couple days in?
Doing good.
Yeah, it's almost go time.
It is almost good. Yeah.
We just ate at this great restaurant called Zhiyun. Awesome food. If you're here, I recommend the steak, the mochiko chicken. Perfect meal to start off our time in Hawaii. But
See you guys.
Bye.
bye. We're gonna pick things back up tomorrow, cause
Being the matron of honor is no easy task. I mean, from the moment you wake up, you're answering texts, you're running errands, you're answering emails. I mean, the list is endless.
she's working, but I'm not working today. So the plan right now is I just got done swimming, which was amazing. First swim of the day, and feels good. Leezel is finishing up work. She's about to go help out, do some maid of honor duties. Have a great day.
Thanks, I'll see you later.
See ya. Let's go.
Of course, this all meant that I myself had plenty of time to explore paradise on my own. Oh, and I did. I ate when I wanted, I swam when I wanted, I lounged as long as I wanted, and if any of that got boring, I mean, it was always the beach.
Second swim of the day. Feels even better. Look at this freaking view.
And speaking of views, if you want to go see them, then you're absolutely going to need a car. I ended up trying a service called Hui, a car sharing service that lets you rent cars by the hour. It saved me the hassle of paying for gas and parking, and I would say the app is very solid. If there's only one thing I can suggest doing when visiting Oahu, it's driving around the island and taking in the view. My only thing is, you just gotta make sure that you start early and plan around the traffic.
I was driving and taking a tour of the whole island, and I made it to the North Shore. Google Maps was telling me that it was going to take close to 2 hours to get back to Honolulu. I need to be at the wedding rehearsal for Devin and Michelle. And I'm actually stuck on like some road right now. And I knew traffic in Oahu was bad. I didn't think it was gonna be this bad, like 2 hours bad. Okay, try not to panic. All right, it's 5:45, 15 minutes late. I see the bride and I see the groom, I see people. Hopefully it's not too bad.
Hi, you did it. Are you okay?
For the record, I actually love wedding rehearsals. I just think it's a chance for everybody to have fun, shake off the nerves, and prepare for the big day.
Right here, belly button. All you gotta remember, you don't even have to worry when you go. When your partner hits this cue, that's your cue to sit. So you stop one step in front of mom and dad. Come, one step. It's okay? Okay, you don't go until you're ready. Okay? There's no rush. So when you're ready to go, then you lead your parents. Okay? So you take a deep breath, enjoy the moment. Okay?
Enjoy the moment. In a way, that's what I think wedding rehearsal preps us best for. And selfishly, it's more time behind the scenes with the bride and the groom. Just made it to the Marriott where Leezel is staying with the bride and the bridesmaids. And this place is pretty sweet. Check it out.
We don't mess around here, you know? Wow! I'm inside. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my gosh! That's what I said, girl! I even walked inside. I'll hold it.
Yeah, we're all going to see a sunset right now.
Third time in the water today. Still feels good.
Look, special guests.
Oh, hey, and even more special guests. Hello. Hey.
The days before the wedding really felt like we were part of Devin and Michelle's family. On the night before the big day, they hosted a family barbecue. We got the chance to meet everybody who was special in their lives that could make it. You could feel the love no matter who you were talking to. And Leezel and I were just so honored to be there. Leezel and the bride are coming down. I have to bring her this jewelry that she forgot. We've got about 20 minutes before the wedding.
So if you talk in this tone the way I am now, you're in good shape. Okay. You'll be fine. The big secret, two things, is just make sure you speak the way I am, and then make sure this thing is on.
Hey.
I'm gonna give you my purse.
Devin and Michelle's wedding day. Man, it was perfect. Everything about it was perfect. And that's what you want. You know, you want your friends to have the perfect wedding day. And Leezel, wow, she did an amazing job as the Matron of Honor.
So let's raise our glasses and toast to the newlyweds. Angela and I are here for you, and we love you both so, so much.
Love you, man.
Congratulations, Devin and Michelle. My name is Angelo, and thanks for watching.